I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up.
Meron pa. Mrs. Gary. Picheck.
Idadalhin ko yung bag niya kasi baka may mga pinagya. Nakita mo.
Seryoso ka doon?
Hindi nga.
What was that? Robert. Chari. This is the Laperal White House. Naging restaurant na siya ngayon.
Sila, pwede nang dumiretso.
Opo, ma'am. Nakakatakot.
Look at this cool haunted house. Damn, para siyang mga ano, as in,
Abandoned.
yeah, as in.
Muna, sir.
Be right there.
What? Medyo bibi. Today ay titingin tayo ng pasalubong. Ano unahin natin? Hot.
Babe, it's the farm.
Wala lang ako.
Listen and learn.
Farm.
Farm.
Look at the view. Oh, my beautiful view. Beautiful view, tas ganun yun.
Wow.
What if nahulog ako?
Hindi sasaluhin ka. Oh my gosh. No. Ako. Tatagal ako. Guys, there's a cliff.
Doon tayo sa Hi guys! We're out again. At parang palaging kada labas iba-iba tayo ng suot.
Ayun naman yung pinagplanuhan natin eh.
It's so OA.
Kasi we're okay.
There is the SM City
Baguio.
Baguio.
Baguio!
Tingnan ang outfit mo?
Outfit. That's my Catherine Bernardo. Pero di ko lolokohin yan. Nasaan Baguio? Baguio!
This place is so foggy and nice. Parang tayo nasa America, no?
Ano nga? Version natin ko lagi. Not gonna lie. Ang pogi at may ganda natin.
Everyday naman.
Perfect.
Loko. Wow! It's so cool. out again.
Night market ulit.
No, kakain mo na.
Ay, kakain naman na pala.
Pero man, excited ko masyado.
Manis mo.
Tenen.
Facebook reels mo.
Eh? Ano nga?
Joke.
Yan nga eh. Uuwi na? Uuwi na bukas?
Muna.
Hindi, uuwi na bukas.
Ha.
Order mo lang na Natasha. Hi guys. Ito sila option for lettuce. Because ito na naman yung watermark ko. There's option. Guys, gusto ba natin?
Gawin natin.
Lasang tawang strawberry. Bye! Uwi na.
Bye, Baguio!
Laro. Reminds you. Masaya, magaling mag-drive si Kuya. Nakakatakot. Amazing. Ano naman yan?
Dito yung may malaking aso.
Yes. It's the dog. A big dog. It's foggy? It's foggy? Hi! Bye, Minds View. On the way to Wright Park. Hoy!
Mahaba. Kagabi na.
Anong kagabi? Madam. Oh,
Wow.
expensive.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
look at her. Oh, modeling. Oh. Wow.
We are on
The mansion, the right park.
the right
And I'm the right one for. Guys, look at the dog. It's wearing shades. Sheesh. That right there is the mansion. It's a big bear.
You are very pretty. Botanical garden. O karakba.
We just witnessed.
Elephants po, Totoy.
Look, oh. Damn, that's big.
Why? Ano ang favorite mo?
Bye-bye. Bye. Sige, dyan ka na. Bala ka. ah. Bye. There's a dog. There's a dog.
I'm a Shih Tzu. I'm a husky.
Diba? Hi. Hi.
Pasok kayo dito.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you.
It's going down. Tapos agad. Yan, naman.
Hindi, meron yun. May tao po.
Last on the bucket list.
Yun. Kaya ng template natin.
Agad.
Ito yung pang...
Oh guys, look at the strawberry latte.
Ano?
I think it's just regular latte. Strawberry. plastic naman. Sarap. Sarap.
Sarap. Ano lang yun?
Ba't ganyan yung mata mo?
Onion.
Mas coffee siya. Tika na.
Ano bang nakalagay doon? Bakit?
Grabe, ayoko nang nansalat.
Press start.
Hindi na din yan. Hi guys, uuwi na kami. Nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog.
Guys, hulaan niyo magkano binastos ni Mrs. Gani.
Bawal natin i-reveal dito. Guys. Goodbye, Bagyo. Bye! Bye! Napagbigyan na ang bag. Bye! Saan na? Bye, Bagyo. Mamimiss mo ba?
See you next time. Hong Kong.
See you next time, Hong Kong.
See you next time, Hong Kong.
Shane. Clear fan.
Mrs. Gani, kamusta po ang lakad?
Hirap.
Ikaw. Lapit na oh. Pabilisan, pabilisan.
Ew, tumainit ka.
Say hi. Yeah. It's so scary here. Come to the beach. I should've known better.
Oh, this is so romantic. Oh, sabihin niya, hindi siya romantic eh.